actually, we back in the action, boys. Holy shit. Welcome to a shit show of a video. And honestly, it might come in your guys' favor because this is actually a full video of chilling with NameBran, uncut, uncircumcised. I guess I'll actually have to edit something and go.
It's time for chilling with NameBran.
We back. All right, so from here on out, this video is gonna be uncut, uncircumcised for the one reason of I'm heading on a flight in like 30 minutes and I'm really drunk right now because I'm scared of flying, but I knew I had to get a video out for the boys and all I have time to do is do a one cut video. We got something crazy to unbox today. That actually might be a fucking bomb. It might be a fucking bomb. I'm too drunk for this shit. We're also in the washroom right now because it's dark out. I'm sweating like a pig and I'm drunk, but also it's the best lighting in this scenario. So let's get into this video without too much time to waste. Still trying to think of what to say. Not used to these uncuts when I'm drunk. Here we go. Brandon, think about it. Yes, so here's a fucking story. I really want cuts in this video, and we're gonna get some good, I think. The story is, I got an email the other day that was really, really exciting. About a week ago, and this has to do with what we're about to unbox. It was somebody claiming, and I'm saying claiming for a fucking reason, that they are with Off-White. They're people with Off-White. It was a very professional email. If I can find it and I have time to edit it, I'll put it right here. If it's not there, I'm fucking sorry. And they said, hey man, we want to send you a sample sneaker. Now, I don't know what the sample sneaker is, and I was really stoked at first, and honestly, if I thought this was real, which I did because it was a very good email, I think I'd make a better video out of this. However, these motherfuckers just sent the fucking package for me in a Huggies container. And I know it's from them because they sent me tracking number, and right when it said, hey, it's been delivered, this got delivered. So I think I'm getting fucked with right now. I'm either opening up a dead body, or well, I don't think there's enough room in there for a dead body, but maybe like a dead penis, or a head, or a bomb, which would be fucking awful. At least I wouldn't have to make my flight today. We're going to SneakerCon fucking Dallas. It's gonna be lit. But before I forget, this video is actually not brought to you by them, but brought to you by me in terms of IOBot. They're a bot system that gets you Yeezys, and I wanted to do a sponsorship with them in the apparently least professional video I could because I'm trying to get these Yeezys, and I've read up about these dudes, and they have a lot of securities. Like, they've secured a lot of pairs. Not insecurities, we're talking about securities, platonic and everything. Whatever that means. So anyway, their link's down below. IOBot. If you guys don't know how bots work, pretty much you give your money, you get a pair of sneakers. It's a bot service that pretty much, you know how fast your hands can go when you're trying to get a sneaker? Like, only so fast. A bot system will beat these dudes with their stupid little fingers out, trying to like click really fast to get the pair. They'll beat them and hopefully get your sneakers for you. So I'm gonna try them out hopefully this weekend on the newest pair of Yeezys, the first one of 2018. And if y'all want to check them out, their link is down below. IOBot, it's spelled A-I-O, and I usually know how to say it, but now I'm second guessing myself because I'm drunk. But if y'all want to check them out, try to secure your pair of Yeezys. That's why I'm doing this. Once again, this sponsorship is brought to you by me, because I felt if I did a video for them, maybe they would let me try it out, and hopefully I can get my Yeezys. Now let's get on to this fucking unboxing. How y'all doing, by the way? I'm on my fucking 5th glass of gin. I'm just gonna fucking chill out a little bit. I'm trying to like not stutter and shit. So anyway, that's the story with this unboxing. Now, to be honest, I had so many really good plans about, and I could be wrong. Maybe they just know I'm a goofy person and maybe they just sent in this to be goofy. However, either way, they're retarded because this right here, this is the original glue of the box. Now, if I was somebody who was packaging this shit, I think I'd put a little tape on it so this expensive shit wouldn't fall out of it, if you catch my drift. So anyway, we're gonna be opening this up by people who said that they're from, what did I say? Fucking, what's that? Off-White. And we're gonna see if we're getting trolled today. Honestly, it sounds like a fucking bomb, if you ask me. Now, once again, I apologize. You guys love these show with NameBran videos, so I'm not too apologetic, but I had to do this before the plane ride. Without further ado, NameBran. How the mother dick you about to open up that package, you puss? Woo! Usually I have a cut in between there because I run out of breath. All right, I'm actually kind of freaked out. So, they said, oh shit, no, what? No, that wouldn't make sense. Okay, this is what I'm seeing right now, which is a fucking, is it 500? A Yeezy 350 box. Holy shit, if they don't work with Adidas. If they actually send me something and this is a video I'm providing them, maybe they're just goofy like this. Maybe they just thought it'd be. Anyway, without further ado, boys, this is all the thoughts I had in between my cut clips. A lot of weird ones. I also want to go jack off after this, and I'm not sure if I'm going to have enough fucking time because I got to leave in what, 2 minus 25 now? Anyway, boys, holy fuck. Holy fuck. So there's no note in here at all. It's an empty box and with a piece of paper. Model Light Base Factory. That is a piece of paper from Huggies. So this is what we have, boys. I swear to they don't work with Adidas. Oh man, I'm scared to even open this now. I swear to God, this is real too. I actually got an email and I was very stoked. What the fuck? What the oh my God! No way! So I'll show you guys. We have the Adidas Off-White Yeezy, which is, that's not real. That's not a real, you fucking idiots! Fuck! Oh no, you're not gonna have a link to, is that what they're doing? Look at this boost! I'm too drunk for this. Please leave likes down below, because I'm not happy with this video, so, okay. So what I think happened is what the fuck is this? My dick could, well it could, but it could hardly fit through this, and generally, it's way too big for my penis to fit in that. We gotta lace it. So what I think here, I keep cutting myself off, is either a kid sent these to me as a goof. You're not getting a shout out, by the way. They had a link for me to post. I didn't even check that. I should have checked to see if that was legit. It looks like some fucking Asian company. Fucking idiots! Fuck! Oh, I'm pissed. I should have known about the Huggies. So it looks like some sort of Asian fucking company tried to dupe your old name brand. At least I don't have a fucking live dick in my hand. That's a fucking plus. Looks like they tried to send me a sneaker by fucking duping me. By absolutely that pisses me off, actually. This might not even be a video. So as y'all can see, these are absolutely fake as shit. We have Off-White right here. We have Boost right here. These are horrible. Off-White. So this is what in Off-White, and I knew it from the fucking box. They wouldn't work with Adidas if they've been working with fucking. Actually, it hurt a little bit. I'm more pissed than I thought I would be actually about this. Cause I was thinking maybe a subscriber, once I saw the box, was fucking with me and actually sent me a bunch of dilds. Cause I always say that in videos, and it happened one time. And I thought that might be kind of funny. These are just fake as shit. Thanks Off-White, or whoever the fuck. I'm actually, if I have time and I remember this, on my flight, I am going to post a link. Not the link that they wanted to. I'm gonna post the email of who sent this to me because it looked very professional and everyone's gonna go after them. Why am I even holding these still? We have Off-White Boost. So, someone tried to dupe your boy. I'm sorry, I'm fucking drunk right now and I really wanted to post out a video. You know what I'm saying? I've been slacking a little bit too much lately and I'm getting on a flight and I'm fucking nervous and I have this horse shit coming in my fucking mail. So the insole actually, they're actually kind of cool. Classic drunk NameBran, I gotta change of heart. These are kind of sick. Like if they came out with these, I'd probably buy them. I'd definitely buy them if it was real. These are kind of cool. They're horrible though. They're definitely not real. As y'all can see, I legit check Yeezy, so I know what's up. Not when I'm drunk though. Oh man, I just had a thought in my head. I'm like, whoa, what if these are real? What if I'm just drunk? No, they're not. They're definitely not real. Anyway, that's what unboxing. Fuck you. Appreciate y'all for watching. And I'm not just drunk to get drunk, by the way. Once again, I'm hopping on a flight and I think I might shit if I don't get drunk, because I am fucking, the takeoffs in those fucking planes are retarded. How you about it? Well, half the time actually, when I'm trying to land the plane, well not me personally, but when I'm in my seat, like holding on like this, and when they try to land the plane, all of a sudden the landing gear goes I'm like, bitch, that motherfucker's definitely jammed. We are fucking dying today. And then we actually never end up dying. but that always freaks me out. Don't like playing SneakerCon Dallas. I'm coming real soon. NameBran fams real strong. Check out IOBot. Once again, I'm trying to use their service to secure my Yeezys. So I thought, hey man, can we do something so I can like get a bot from you to check this out? Because you have very good success rate, and I think that's super dope. If I can get those Yeezys, they're not these pieces of shit. Wow. I was so pumped to have this video because I actually thought it was people from Off-White. Can't do these when I'm drunk. I'm actually really pissed right now. Anyway, boys, I'm looking at the timestamp, and that fast, we did 10 minutes and 30 seconds. Seems like 2 minutes. I don't even have time to re-watch this video, which is really scary. I could have been talking about some fucked up shit and I don't even know. For example, that was a joke. Not for example. I was gonna say something fucked up though, trust me. Anyway, man, see you guys at SneakerCon Dallas. This is a retarded video. However, you guys really do dig the NameBran, chilling with NameBrans. Until today, maybe not. You know what I'm saying? Leave a like down below. Follow my Instagram. I don't even know if I have time to put that in. I don't even know if I have time to put in the chilling with NameBran. So if you guys actually, we're gonna do one thing. We're already at 11 minutes. Holy shit. If you guys watch to the end of this video, I want you to put the word baby, just because I'm looking at this baby Pampers. Who the fuck? Fuck you. Mad again. Over again. Fuck. What was I saying? Oh yeah, leave the word baby. I'm not actually mad, I'm just joking. Clearly, no. Leave the word baby in one of your comments, not in cap lock, but I will know if you watched to the end of this video if it has baby in it. Appreciate y'all for watching. NameBran fans, real strong. We are murking the game. We are the greatest of all time. Not right now. Blow. I gotta edit this bitch. I gotta make a thumbnail real quick. Goddamn. Love y'all. There's a better video tomorrow, I promise. Unless you dig it, I'll just shut up. I'm drunk. Peace. Oh boy.